Asad Pashtun, this is for you. That one. Look, Leo, fault again. Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. Yesterday we came to this town on the name of Week. I think here is some sightseeing places. We were very tired but we didn't find any hotel, any guest house. All of them are full and we were totally exhausted at the end. So we finally decided to stay in the camping. So you see I'm already tent and it's windy and cold. So today we don't know what we do, but we are doing further and 2 nights more and then we get to the ship. So stay with us and enjoy the video. So it looked like this outside. It's about 3-4 o'clock in the morning, but I want to pick up things. It will take time. Welcome back to the channel. It's early in the morning, 6:25, and area around. So the other 2 guys is sleeping still, and I want to go one place, find out. One of the guys from my area, he was mentioned that there is a beach which is totally black. So now I am going to search of this. So Asad Pashtun, this is for you, and I will come back here and then we hit the road toward south. So stay with us and enjoy the video. Bismillah. It was a little bit rain in the morning, and it was good that I pick up back the tent things, you know, and yeah, so I was lucky. You see that I want to go there, maybe. A strange form of the mountains. Maybe raining that area. So I am reached. Now I have to walk there, maybe. So let's do it now. To walk, maybe too much, I don't know. The light is a signal, it's green. that it's not totally safe. It's yellow alert waves. So medium hazard, do not go to the yellow. After all, the black beach. These rock forms are in the mountain. Maybe you guys already see that a lot of people go up and they make photographs. Can you see that? It's very, you see, aggressive. Look to these rock formations. That one. I was lucky, nobody was there. And now back to the camp. Bismillah. I hope everything will be fine. These gloves are so soft you can press the button. Bismillah. It's gravel, very danger for me. I have not too much experience with this off-road. I did with these guys, but it was okay. I really don't like it, but people like it. These two guys also like it very much. I think they wanna do off-road today, and I say no because I think it's a lot of stones. Anyway, I'm not interested. I want to take some picture with this church if it's possible. Wind can do a lot of dangerous things. These things are this one. People are running, jogging. When they finish, we will
get on the road. And he told me that maybe they're going off-road, or maybe not. If it's not possible, then they don't go. So I hope they can cancel it so we can ride together further away. Otherwise they will go there and I will go straight, so then wait somewhere for them. So I don't know, but I got the map and it will be okay. Hope to make it safe, and we will see. Adventure have a tough time, especially in these kind of country. Weather changing dramatically, very very fast, raining, cold, wind, sunny, and again and again and again. So now we are still in a week, and this is the center of week, like town. So we are refill ourselves a little bit, eat, and we hope we can find accommodation at the next destination. Very windy outside. Just pushing on the right. Oh my goodness.
Find it.
ADV has already come out. It's ADV, yeah? It's adventure.
No, this is not.
Ah, Jesus.
The regular.
Okay. Trophy.
The adventures in December. November, December.
But this look good.
This is the old
1250. Yeah, 1250.
1250.
2021.
It's
so
heavy. It's really heavy.
Men's supposed to be like this.
Good. Take care. Where are you heading? Where are you heading today?
We are on the way south to the ferry.
Today to the ferry?
No, not today, but today off.
You go south, and then there is a Yokursalun on your way. Yeah. Nice place. Hofen, the city.
Yeah, but we put the
Get Eglestadir.
Last one today, Hofen.
Yeah.
the boy sleep in the hotel.
Yeah.
Stornet, yeah.
The ferry.
To the ferry.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah, that's okay. I know because the ferry is on Thursday.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure,
Wait, okay.
sure. That's good. That's good. Take care.
Thank you very much.
Take care, and yeah, go. We go to Fialabaki today.
Oh, yeah.
Lugar. Now,
Okay.
this is the mountain road
Yeah, mountain. But this one.
with
for
river
the-
crossing. With a lot of river crossings
Yeah.
today.
That's not good for
It's heavy.
I crossed when I was young. Let me live in civilization. They are the BMW Motorrad Iceland. They have trip, and all, if you see, all of them is 1300. The new bike of the same company, and but they look small, but they are 13. My all rain covers is a pot, you see, but I don't want to throw it now because it will be dirt, because these bags are new. So if I can make it to the end of the journey, then I will throw it. Look at the beautiful view, mountains. It's every mountain it's like a volcano result. They came out from the ground. And down is a town. People are living there. Very beautiful. Look at the road. You see the water on the top. Look at that view. Incredible. There is a view point, glacier, you see. I hope that they are happening. Look at that glacier. I think we have to go through these mountains. Snow. Mr. Abu Saeed and Mr. Wael. There was a short break here and they just make some photo of their self in the off-road. So I just wait for them now back to the road. Mountain with snow. Look at this road straight away. Good for drone shots, but too windy. Not good for drone. We are getting close to the mountains with the glaciers. That one is also glacier. That one also. Some of the mountains have very sharp peak. You see there, some of them. Glaciers. I don't know, maybe the road is going like this down. I don't think so. It's going through the mountains or something. I didn't see. Yeah, you can see it on the map. It's going to that end point and then to the right. Here I think so it's like a base camp for people who are, maybe they are going with guide tour there. The red one in small plane here. I don't know, maybe they're monitoring this glacier or something. That day in the volcano mountains, several times a helicopter come and one time sit on the lava, maybe monitoring how it's going on. Because of some days ago it was closed, you know, because there's an eruption, was danger. Still some of the road to the Blue Lagoon, it was closed. They didn't allow us to ride on that road. So we skipped Blue Lagoon in Reykjavik. 133 kilometers still head to the point. Look, Leo called again. Stand here because this place is not, not lake. These guys were at glacier and I just wait for them. The bike was 2 times fell down because the ground is not level there. It's that. Guys, we are now close to the Diamond Beach. It's cold here. I don't know what they're deciding. You see the ice from glacier. Take my picture from here and finish. I don't go there. From here, this like this. Ni hao. So guys, here is this Diamond Beach. I think so they call it because as this ice blocks. So for me, nothing special. But you see, the tourists are here, a lot of.